YouTube friends and family, welcome back to Nini's Eats. I'm your girl Nini, and today, you guys, do you see what I have here? You want to see it up close? This actually looks tasty. Yum. Yum. Yeah. Sorry, I'm nervous. Okay, I am going to attempt to eat 1, 2, 3 packs of the 2 times spicy noodles, you guys. I've seen a couple of YouTubers doing it lately, so you guys know I have a spicy mouth, so I'm going to attempt to do this. Fellow YouTubers that I've seen do this lately was Neo Peggy. Do you guys know who Neo Peggy is? She is a competitive eating mukbanger, and she actually ate 5 packs of these things. She ate 5 packs of these, you guys. But she drank Yakult yogurt. You know those cute little Yakult yogurts. I'm nervous. Okay. Anyways, during the 5 packs, I mean, like, there's no way you can do 5 packs without drinking anything. And then I also saw Eat with Q recently, earlier this week. She did, or she attempted to do 4 packs of the mala spicy noodles. So I think what I'm going to do, to challenge myself, is 3 packs. There's no way I can do 5. I'll get full. 3 packs with nothing to drink. Yeah, I think I can do it. So, as you guys can see, these noodles are hot. In more ways than one. Oh my gosh, they're going to be spicy. So I'm going to try my best to do this. I put the packets on for before I started recording for thumbnail purposes. If you would like to see me actually putting the sauces on, I did it on my Instagram story. So if you want to go check that out, you can. So I was watching Prissy P and her husband yesterday. They were actually doing a different spicy challenge, but he swore by these. Can you see them? I'm excited. I haven't had these before, so I can't wait to try it. But he swore by these that they help when your mouth is burning. So I'm gonna go in. Let me pray about it first. Okay, here we go. Father God, I'd like to thank you and praise you for this meal. I sanctify it through your word and prayer, and I ask that you cast out anything harmful to me, Father, especially these spices. Oh, it's going to be so spicy. In your name I pray. Amen. Okay, let's stop wasting time because the noodles will get cold and sticky and stuff. So you guys wish me luck. I think I can do it. I really do. I think I can eat 5. 5? No, I can't. I think I can eat 3 packs. My thing is, I'm stalling. My thing is, can I eat 3 packs? I've never eaten 3 packs of noodles at once. Never, ever. I don't think I've ever eaten 2 packs at once. I'm going to get full, but I'm going to do it. Jojo says hi, y'all. Okay. You want the first bite? You can have the first bite. There you go. Ooh. Okay. Let's stop playing. Oh. Hey, Mark. Get set. Go. It's good, but it's spicy, baby. one good thing, it's gonna clear up this so good. It's burning my insides already. I can feel it going down my throat, my esophagus. Just feel it. I'm gonna get full. I kind of want to slurp it for you slurper lovers, but then it'll just hit my lips. This is a lot of noodles. Sorry, I'm shaking the table, huh? My tongue is burning. It's hot. Okay. Good thing I put deodorant on. Oh my gosh, I'm getting hot. Okay. Oh, here comes my nose. All I can do is laugh at myself. I can't believe I'm doing this. Would you guys blame me if I like drank a little bit while I ate it? At least I finish it, right? I've eaten at least a pack, right? I think. There's no way. Oh my gosh. That towel smells good. It smells like watermelon. Okay. I'm playing. I can do this. Ina gave me a thumbs up. It's not hot to you because you're not eating it, boo-boo. Okay, shh. Let me do this. Let me concentrate. I was rolling at first. Mad crazy. I'm thinking, how did she do it? But she drank little yogurts while she did it. And Q, she tried to go straight. It's hard. I can do it though. R. Kelly song just go through my head. I'm not a singer, but it goes, temperatures rising. And y'all know the rest of the words. For me, seems like you're ready. I'm getting there. I was actually thinking about putting a time limit. Happy I didn't do that. Oh, my nose. I told you guys it's gonna get rid of that cold for me. Yay! This is crazy. I'm hot. I should have turned the air conditioner on. Ooh. It hurts the more I breathe on it. Look, my lips stained the bottom. That's crazy. Okay. Woo! Let's do this. My stomach is burning. Think. This is icy and slushy. I can't wait. Okay. My camera's all off-centered. It's hot, baby. This is hot. I can do it. I'm getting full. I want to quit. I do, but I'm not. I just want to sip. Oh, I just want to sip. Open. You guys hear that? Oh. I have to wait. No, Denny. Yeah, it's so hot, it's choking me. You're right. I just want to sip, you guys. I know some of my I'm saying, take that sip, girl. You guys won't hold it against me, right? Motivation. Holy crap, do you guys see how much left? There's so much. I think I've eaten at least 1.5 packs, guys. 2. I got you. No. How is it that that works? That's cool. And him and Prissy P do so many challenges, so. Okay. Still hot. One more. Ooh, it's good. Okay. If I can go that long without it, I can go that long without it again. Okay, I got my sips. I'm getting full. I'm getting full. It's just too spicy. I'm so warm, it's numb. Numbing. Excuse me. I can't even feel it on my tongue.
You're very full.
I'm like low-key kind of upset with myself because I thought I could do it. But just looking at the fork and contemplating taking another bite, I can't. My baby's messing with me. I know, I saw it. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna hold you too long. I attempted it. At least I did that, right? Yay! So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe some more. Ah! Afterburn. Ah! Please comment down below. I don't know, you guys. I thought I had it. But for any of you who have ever tried 2 times spicy, you guys know. There's no way. Like I said, Neo Peggy, she drank during hers. And I think she even said she took a 15-minute timeout. And poor Eat with Q, she was just doing the mala kind. Okay, you guys. My boo-boo butt's calling me. So, that was fun.
That's not boo-boo butt.
That's my boo-boo butt. That's my boo-boo butt. That's my fat fat.
That's JoJo.
Oh, excuse me, that's JoJo. Okay, so, whew. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't want to make this video too long. Love you guys. Bye. See you later.